Starting around 31 walk 2024, Ethereum generally is exchanging at $3,623 in terms of its US rate, with a value change of 0.1% in essentially most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. ETH especially has an all-out market cap of $435.24,755,815 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $10.36,871,724. This by and large makes Ethereum ETH really positioning at 2 in the digital money market, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum really be most certainly worth in 2024, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Ethereum a very wise speculation or worth? Ought to basically be $4,673, or so they fundamentally thought. Besides, ETH can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of $5,407, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Ethereum value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Ethereum explicitly is certainly anticipated to fundamentally reach at an exceptionally least worth of $3,366 in walk 2024, which sort of is very huge. The ETH cost could by and large arrive at a greatest worth of $3,787 with a really normal exchanging worth of $3,681 all through 2024, which especially is genuinely huge. Ethereum ETH value expectation April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Ethereum cost by and large is estimate to arrive at an in every way that really matters least cost of $3,653, or so they for the most part thought. The ETH cost could, for the most part, arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $3,971 with the really normal expected cost around $3,829, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. ETH value estimate May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Ethereum for the most part is supposed to by and large arrive at the very least value worth of $3,730 in a fundamentally enormous manner. The ETH cost could arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $4,162 with them for the most part normal cost around $3,905, exhibiting how Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost by and large is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $4,849. The normal truly least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to in a real sense be $4,673, or so they fundamentally thought. Ethereum ETH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Ethereum in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $3,886 and $4,318, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $4,062 in a huge manner. ETH value conjecture July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Ethereum fundamentally is supposed to generally arrive at least value worth of $3,967, which basically is very critical. The ETH cost could especially arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $4,481 with the especially normal cost around $4,143, or so they basically thought. ETH value estimate August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Ethereum generally is supposed to really arrive at a kind of least value worth of $4,127 in a significant manner. The ETH cost could in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $4,688 with a kind of typical cost around $4,267 in a genuinely significant manner. Ethereum ETH value figure September 2024. The Ethereum ETH cost for September 2024 may arrive at a truly least worth of $4,220, while the very greatest determined cost truly is around $4,859 in a sort of huge manner. The typical cost for ETH basically is especially anticipated to in every practical sense reach $4,395 in September 2024, truly further appearance how Ethereum ETH value expectation April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Ethereum cost especially is gauged to generally arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $3,653, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum ETH value estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Ethereum by and large is truly anticipated to truly arrive at a very normal cost of $4,571, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $534 and at least $4,431. So the ETH cost could, for the most part, arrive at a really greatest cost of $3,971 with the sort of typical expected cost around $3,829, which especially is very huge. Ethereum value. Expectation November 2024. The cost for Ethereum in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $4,613 and $5,217 in an unobtrusive manner, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $4,754, which generally is very critical. Ethereum value forecast December 2024. The cost of Ethereum truly is really anticipated to especially reach at a truly least worth of $4,673 in December 2024, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ETH cost could fundamentally arrive at a greatest worth of $5,407 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $4,849 all through 2024, which basically is very critical. Ethereum in every practical sense, past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Ethereum's cost basically has shown a great increment of 225% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that ETH value conjecture July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Ethereum truly is supposed to truly arrive at a very least value worth of $3,967 in an essentially large manner. From especially most recent 7 days, the ETH in a real sense was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 683%, or so they in a real sense thought. Ethereum has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential recently, and this could be great chance to dive right in and certainly put resources into a very significant way for the most part. Ethereum value figure 2024 facts. What will for the most part be Ethereum worth in 2024, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The ETH cost in a real sense is gauged to basically arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of $5,407 with by and large least cost of $4,673 toward the finish of 2024, which fundamentally is very critical. Does Ethereum certainly have a future in a huge manner? As far as value, Ethereum especially has an extraordinary sort of potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. It really is conjecture that ETH will increment in esteem, showing how Ethereum value expectation. December 2024. The cost of Ethereum is fundamentally anticipated to generally reach at a for the most part least worth of $4,673 in December 2024, which in every practical sense is very huge. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business experts, Ethereum can generally stir things up around town. All expectations and purposes greatest cost of seller $17,239 till 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Ethereum for the most part worth purchasing in 2024 in a by and large huge manner? Ethereum's worth certainly is supposed to sort of keep on extending, as deficiency will in general especially empower cost rise, showing how starting around 31 walk 2024 Ethereum sort of is exchanging at $3,623 in term of its US rate with the value